know that I usually do the fake Gucci belts until I was like, you know what? Time to get a real Gucci belt, and I think that I deserve it. I know that I deserve it. I work hard to get something that's real expensive. I could have got a purse, but I love this belt. I always wanted a Gucci belt, but I wanted the bigger one. So I can pair it with like coats, dresses, stuff like that, like real fast. So I'm gonna get the wide one, and then for Christmas I'm gonna get a Gucci purse. I'm gonna call some stores near me. I'm gonna see if they have the belt, and we're gonna see what's up. I'm looking ratchet on the other side of the screen. This is as far as I'm gonna go because I look hella ratchet. Call around to see if they have this. I'm gonna call Michigan real quick.
Gucci, Chicago. We are located at 900 North Michigan Avenue. Please make a selection from the following options, and your call will be directed accordingly. For store hours, press 1. To speak to a Gucci sales representative, press 2.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Gucci Chicago.
Hi. I was calling to see if you had the wide leather belt with double G's in there, in a size 75.
And what size, sorry?
75.
75. Did you have a style number for the exact one?
Yes, I do. So
okay, I'm ready when you are.
453
265.
265.
Alright, thank you. That in black, correct?
Yeah, black. Also, if you don't have it, could you tell me any other store that does?
Sure. It looks like we do have it available. Did you want to come in store?
Oh, yes, I definitely.
Did you want to do it over the phone?
No, I want it. You have it in the store?
We do, yes.
Okay, yes, I want it. I'm gonna come get it. Cause I was scared to order it on. I was scared to order it online because if I ordered online, I'm scared it wasn't gonna come to me.
Yeah, we definitely have it here in store.
Also, do you have? Cause I did want to try. I don't know what my waist size is, and this belt is like paired with coats and stuff. So,
yeah. We have a 70. We have all surrounding sizes available when you come in.
Oh, you do? Oh, cause last time I came, the only size that y'all had was I think 90, and I was like, no.
Yeah, we gotta restock it.
Oh, okay, yes.
I can't hold all three, so I maybe.
No, that's fine. You can hold one, and then I could come in, and then whichever one that I try on is correct, I could just switch.
Absolutely, that sounds good. I just need a first name and a phone number.
Okay, yes, it's Briana, Briana.
Okay, and your phone number?
773. I should get cute. Oh, I should get cute. Do my makeup real quick. Get a shower. Do my makeup. Clothes are nice, so I got a little time. I'm gonna get dressed because I slept in this. I'm gonna get dressed, and I think I'm gonna see y'all at the Gucci store. So I am on my way to the Gucci store. The one downtown closed at 7 o'clock, so we going into the one at Oak Brook. I want to go downtown. I went to Red Lux or something, but whatever. It's some stuff out here, but we going to the Gucci store inside of Neiman's Marcus. You have more? Now I don't know if it actually finished. You got a little way. I think they're good here. Give me a second.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, darling.
Hi.
Hi, little. I like the nude.
She's
Oh, this one was little.
You got a little waist size.
Okay.
Yep, you got it. Now, my only thing would be, this would probably be a nice size for less layers. But if you want to wear more layered
like
over like a heavier coat,
that's what I said.
I can check my next size out. Let's see how that looks out. What holy?
It's funny because even I be looking, trying to see like, cause I'm even looking at this up here.
So that was a size 70, y'all.
I'm up here looking at this, and it look like
the pearl look cute.
Beautiful. You need a look to get away with something like this.
You do.
This looks so maybe 80.
Yeah.
Amazing. So you actually ideally would tuck the leather bit just behind here. Just like a regular belt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, love
So
it.
I got like trench coats and stuff that I want to put this on.
This is perfect because you're in the tightest for almost no layer. So this is perfect. So with layer, you got two whole holes to be able to go for a layer.
Okay.
Also for the like I'm getting surgery, so my waist will be a little bit tinier. Does that matter?
I mean, if anything, I would add an additional hole. I don't think you would have too much problem.
It's like, hey, you doing it? Well, look at this one. This one is beautiful.
This is cool.
How much is this one?
For the crystals,
Yeah.
the smaller one for the regular GT Supreme, I think that one's $39. Then you got
Really?
the all black suede. That
I like the one in the back with the
$3.
pink.
This one's like $48.
3,900 or 48,000.
3,900.
Oh, that ain't bad.
I mean, they look like $7.
Yeah.
All the money. I always say that. I'll be like, look,
I got a 3-year-old at home.
I can't afford it either. No, it's expensive. It's geared to.
Yeah, it's investment though, for sure.
But the person who made it was poor. Gucci was poor.
At first, yeah, you got
now.
At 48, I was
Beautiful.
star with the
That's
stars.
Right.
You know?
That's
Some
true.
people say, oh.
Okay, so we just came from the Gucci store. Made my purchase on my first Gucci bag. I'm about to get I want the purse. I'm gonna get that for Christmas. But yeah, but just my first purchase. We about to go to Redstone so we get some shrimp. I'm gonna show y'all them shrimp. The shrimp be good. So we about to go get something. I probably won't eat a lot. I probably just get the. How many we got last night?
Shit, I want.
I know. Beautiful. Oh, you can't see that way, but. Give me y'all. Ooh, okay. So yes, we just ate here. I had to film the outside of this. Alright, y'all, so I still buy the real Gucci. Yes, honey, real Gucci belt. And a Gucci belt in a purse. I don't know, that was a lot for me, so I didn't buy it. So I found a vendor where they sell the fake Gucci.
Strawberry, this
And tell me right now, tell me that this don't look real.
For real? Do you want milk? You gonna get some milk tomorrow. Cause you need to start drinking you some nice. There, you gotta be warm. That's lukewarm. You need some milk.
I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my instead of my head.
Ursa? Where?
Layla.
Say where?
Best believe I had to show y'all the receipt so that y'all know it was real. But I didn't purchase. I didn't show you me purchasing the item in the store. But yes, it's official. Yes. I'm gonna show you an item that I will pair this with. I don't know, I won't pair this with this. This is just a dress, like I could just throw anything with. I mean, you could, but I'm gonna show you what I would pair it for. I mean, pair it to, so you can get an idea, a general idea of it. This outfit in my closet plenty of times, and I'm actually about to try this on so y'all can see me and how I pair it. This is what I would pair it with, something like this. And so just like this is what I would pair it with, something like this. Go right in this. This. So yeah, it's not a lot of reviews of this belt online, but it's basically how I repair it. I probably have a different dress under here. I think that is it for the vlog, you guys. Because I don't want to show my lace. It's not really popping like that, so I'm gonna keep it down here. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all how we would work with this. That is it for the vlog, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.